We caught a beautiful fish. We have no idea what fish this is, but we just caught a fish in this river. I'm gonna show the river. Look at this. Not even like 10 minutes. Are you gonna pick it up? You want to try to pick it up?
Yeah, I mean, like, what is this thing?
It looks like some kind of little trout.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, because look at the bottom of it.
yeah. Nice. I caught a fish. Oh yeah, that's way bigger chub. Holy shit, that's a big chub. Wow, look at the size of this one. It's huge. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful chub. Creek chub.
Holy shit. This thing is huge. Oh, look at this. This is the biggest catfish I've ever caught. Wow. Look at this. Monster. Fucking monster.
I was like, this is like, okay.
So you grab him like this,
Okay.
slide his dorsal and pectoral fins down.
Down,
And then
okay.
you grab this and push it. So
Okay.
give it a go.
Okay,
He's a nice
yeah.
chunky boy.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab him. Okay. Ooh, don't move on me, you fuck. So you pet him. Like you're basically petting him?
Yeah, from his head down.
Okay, like that. And then you're unhooking him. Boom. Okay. He's stuck. Okay, like that. And then I could just toss him back, eh?
Okay, toss him on this side.
Okay. Yeah, because of that other big guy?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a rock bass.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, there you go, bud. In you go. Okay. Oh, what did I catch? What is
fuck.
it?
What is that?
What is that? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I have not seen that before.
Whoa, that's a beautiful fish. Whatever I caught.
I don't know what that is.
That could be a pick.
No, that's not a pickerel.
No?
No,
What do you-
absolutely not. It looks almost like a bass, but it's not a bass.
Man, what the fuck did I just...
I don't know what this is. It's got a mouth, like a mouth.
Well,
Like it's like a.
that's
like,
a good observation.
Well, like
gotta-
I'm talking like a Holden, like a fish Holden mouth.
Yeah. That's
don't
a
know, what the
beautiful looking fish, whatever I just caught.
Yeah. That's nice. You want to hold him? You want to release him and hold him? And
Yeah, here. Should
Grab
I
his mouth.
grab his mouth?
Yeah, right where I had it.
Okay. Whoa.
You want
bruh.
a picture?
Yeah. Oh fuck.
I've hooked one of these before, but I think it might be I have no idea.
I don't know what this is, but he's beautiful. Whatever. Big drum. Wow. Nice one. Sure, yeah. It's a good size one.
Is that?
That's a drum.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, the big one, eh?
Yeah, that's sweet. Yeah, that is a freaking big one.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a GoPro.
Yes.
See, I wanna.
So that's the best setup. And then I could just go like this and be like, all right, got it.
You got the picture.
Yeah.
I want to do that with my. Well, I should buy a GoPro, but I want to do it with my phone as well.
You could buy like probably like a little Oh, that's a big fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bud. Woo! Look at that fucking jump. Look at the size of this thing. Oh my god, do you fucking see that? Look at this. This thing is a beast. Holy shit, I can feel its teeth in my hands. Wow. Oh my god. This thing is like 6-7 pounds. Oh fuck. It's a big boy.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
He's running. He's running.
Oh man.
Oh shit.
Oh,
that's big.
That's a big perch. That's a perch. That's
Wow.
a fucking perch.
Steven got the monster.
I'm glad I got rid of that little one. I got a big boy.
Wow.
Give me your fucking lip, boy. Give me that lip.
Look at that guy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's so big.
That's huge.
Yo, that's fucking insane.
Wow.
That's the biggest perch I've ever seen.
Get at me! Woo! Yeah! Come here, you fuck! I got a trout! Look. No, look at the spots on it. That's a trout. That's a brook trout. Oh my god.
Make sure he's good. Make sure he's good.
He's definitely good.
Boom.
Look at that pike. Yeah, boy. Nice. Okay.